Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use DeepL in Microsoft Word to translate your documents instantly. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Word application on your computer. Once you have Word open, make sure you're on the Home tab at the top of the screen. This is where most of your main editing tools are located, and it's the default tab that usually appears when you launch Word. Next, direct your attention to the right side of the top ribbon. You'll see an option labeled Add-ins. Go ahead and click on it. This section is where you can access all kinds of helpful extensions and tools that enhance Word's functionality beyond its standard features. After clicking Add-ins, you'll see an option that says More Add-ins. Click on it to open the Microsoft Add-ins store. This is essentially a marketplace where you can browse and install various third-party tools that integrate directly into Word, making your workflow more efficient. Now, in the search bar that appears, type DeepL and hit Enter. This will bring up all the available DeepL-related add-ins. DeepL is known for providing highly accurate translations, so this integration is incredibly useful if you work with multilingual documents or need quick translation assistance. From the search results, locate and tap on DeepL for Word. This is the official add-in created by DeepL that allows you to translate text without ever leaving your Word document. Once you've selected it, click the Add button to install it. The installation process usually takes just a few seconds, and Word will handle everything automatically in the background. After the installation is complete, go back to your Word file. Now, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a new option has appeared that says Open DeepL. Click on it to activate the translation panel. This is the interface you'll use to translate your content seamlessly while you work. Once you click it, the DeepL panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This keeps your main document area clear while still giving you easy access to translation features. The panel is designed to work alongside your document so you can continue editing while translations happen in real time. Now, here's where the magic happens. Highlight any text or paragraph in your document that you want to translate. As soon as you do this, DeepL will automatically detect the selected text and display the translation on the right side panel. You don't need to copy and paste anything, it works instantly as you highlight. If you're happy with the translation and want to use it in your document, simply click Replace Text with Translation. This button swaps your original text with the translated version, making it incredibly quick to create multilingual documents or understand foreign language content. And that's it. You've successfully set up and used DeepL in Microsoft Word to translate your documents. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.